izindlu zabanye abantu ziyagodola nkosi yami. Hi. As a level of papalas that I have. But it was a good night. It was a good night. Mindu sharp. As I had a good night last night, bekumnandi. And one was a personality version about sending yamla. No guys, I think I'm going to cover because I'm going to send yam. Hey baby girl, I'm going to send yam. Sure. Come on, I'm going to drive her back to my house. No, you no, up here. I'm not in South Africa. Hi, Tato. Aye, ungafuna la usendlini yakhe manje. Nami ngikweyami guys. Angeke guys. I had a good night yesterday. Le week ayikho ekhanda. Bekumnandi. I needed it. That's what life family ibingathi le chaos this past weeks ne. Last night was necessary. It was needed. Bekumnandi. Ama-pictures engilawo azimvuke ekuseni ngiyascrolla so akuma-picture I know I don't want to lie to him. I had a very, very nice night last night and it was so good to detox and to meet people, you understand? And besides, you want to more in life, more goish, and you start thinking, oh no, people don't like me. You entering shell way. Mindy, but I went out last night and men were all over me like flies on shit. Not realize, man, I'm not bad, most. Baby, you saw it way, but corner la mvuke sengibukile live yami bengiyenza izolo. Ijoy yami is still on the floor. Masingena thina bathi on the floor. Umuntu on. Khapha nebhodlela lejima. Ngithekele ibhodlela mina izolo uNkulunkulu. Hi, at least lawyer tell if you look fun. Khona apha ngihleli lapha endlini ngithi hayi no mina somele ngihamba. What's okay, let me go buy us breakfast. I'll just take your car ngifuyolele. Khona uzohamba ulefuel. Ngathi umuntu bakithi. Hayi lapha mina kade ngiyithele ifuel ukuthi ngihambe bengipipa futhi. I fuck man. Ciao. Ngeke shame. Hayi. How Kumbi? Thanks, Kumbi. Right. It's been a while. Oh, good morning, Shushu. Oh, good. Let me tell you, lapha ngibuye ngizovusa kwabantu ku live. Angithi besilele sonke izolo siyavusana bakithi. La ndilele kuhle ngeendawo. Nami sengivile. So manje umuntu abamba indlela ngeke ukuthi endlini. Yindlela. Go. Bese ngithi sengibone something lapha engathi yayi Nkosi yami bakithi. Bekumnandi izolo bantu amabhabhala yeyi ibhabhala zikhona lapha lingiphethe kancane khona bese ngifuna ukuya endlini yami manje ukuze ngiqale ukunatha manje ngubani ngiyafika ngiyasuka lapha ngo-12 ne ngiyafika endlini yami around 1:30 and then bafika endlini ngeze ngiqale phansi ngifuna ukunatha ngiyastop ukunatha u6 because kusekuseni I have to drive 3 hours ngisiya kwenye ibranch eSpanini. So kumele ngidrive 3 hours ekuseni kusasa. So kumele ukuthi ngaphuza mbuze ne stop uphuza ngo6 ngithi ngiqala amanzi ngilale ngihle ngitshele lo ngihamba la ekusasa ukuthi indoda sohlangana what time ngaphi sivele sithi short left no but okusala ngiyakwazi ukusuka ngo9 angijahanga phela angithi ifuel yami ngiyayihambela phela then ngeke ukuthi 3 hours le lapha ngiyabe ngiyakhona 6 o'clock sengibuyile ngiyalala Tuesday ngiyangena eSpanini Tuesday ebusuku ngiyakuhlohla guys, guys, lingu-December lingangishiyi. Lapho kuthiwa kule gathering yabantu lingibizeni ngikhona. Ibonus ngiyiholi ifuel ihlabile lingakhathazeki. Labafana abazothenga ifuel ayidla abathola ababhola. Say hi to umnikazi womuzi. Umnikazi womuzi uhamba uyongithela ifuel siso. Uyabuya manje uthiwa buya le-breakfast. Manje nangikhona ukudla ekuseni. Umnikazi womuzi akakwazi ukuthi khaya i-breakfast iyayiskipha. Ngizohamba ngiyiphethe. Angizwani nale breakfast vele. Wese into engiyizwayo ngoku. Yazi ngizomhlanzela mangale. So ngcono ngingadli manje. Ngizophuza amanzi nje kuphela. Yabo. Hayi umuzi wakhe muhle shama mfuna uqamba amanzi. Ngizolo ngilele comfortable. Ube wazongilanda nomnikazi womuzi lo. Anibe mthe ngathi mina mnikazi womuzi ngiyendaweni nje uhlala duzane la ngiyakhona. Ngathi ngicela uzongilanda ngiya-out wathi sure. Sengidakwa mina ku-parking lot sengihamba abantu ade ngiphuza labo sebehambile labangani wasebengena. Lokho ngizibuza ukuthi kuphi. Angifuni nokukhipha ifoni esikhwameni because it's raining. Ngambona emile laphana phandle wazongihlangabeza. Ngathi I'm so happy to see you. Ngamnike haki wathi ingena emotweni sambe. Yabo ngafika endlini ngavela ngathi tu izicabula ziphuma wangikhipha icathulo. Hayi ngalala flat. Uyathwala i-break leyo and lo usharpshen uyathela ifuel wow umnikazi womuzi ba manje umnikazi womuzi okay fine mina ngithi ngiyathanda ukuthi sayiklama ex umnikazi womuzi i-ex yami umnikazi womuzi sake sajola and we broke up amicably peacefully futhi asenge saxabana asenge satshena abo futhi we just sat down sakhuluma ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna into enje wena ngathi awuyifuni. We didn't want the same things but he's a good man. I'm not gonna refuse that. He's a good man. Yes, understand that even ngesikhathi ngimtshela because I knew ukuthi mina phela mina ngiyarecycle ama-ex into zami vele mina ukuthi I think enye into is ukuthi I like familiar territory. I don't like meeting new people yabo. So ama-ex ngiyarecycle ngihamba phela mina ngithi ngiyablock abantu ngibuyele ku-block list ngi-check ukuthi ngiba no-deserve i-parole ngimfake ku-parole yabo. Lo vele hayi noma ngifuna i-favor mina nje kuphela yokuthi ngibe lo driver because he doesn't drink. So he was like okay cool no problem. Umuntu wamanje uyazolanda ngabo 2:30. Yazi ngicabanga umuntu ongaphuzi ezolanda umuntu odakwe ngapho ngiyafika mina ngiyakhuluma nginkosi yami ngiqedi ngidakwe ngekho bengitshaya ama-pre-drinks endlini yakhe ehlala umuntu kaNkulunkulu ehlala lapha. He's a very good man and I hope as lo mfazi wakhe lo wazashada naye she's gonna know ukuthi she got a good guy. Hayi ingilosi le ingilosi and umZulu niyangazi ngamaZulu guys but nafana akusomzulwana onjanja. He's a very good man and he's very educated. Yenye into engithanda ngayo u-educated is unice. Hayi mina amaZulu guys shem into zami hayi mina shem lingandithatha ingiqubulele ingisephi mina amaZulu shem mina vele wathi indoda khona phana ikhuluma lami thana not hayi shushu ngicela ngizamqamba ibizo lakhe lo ngiyacela ezokuthi mina vele bengithe mina ngisakhuluma ngaye lo and angisafuni ukukhuluma ngaye ukuthi izobe bese ngidakwe ngapho abugelo wadebuye lapho ku live release ama-file. Hayi no I'm not saying ukuthi umnikazi womuzi about getting married. I'm saying whoever umnikazi womuzi is gonna marry she's gonna know what she married a good guy yabo. But vele he's at that age ukuthi vele he needs to be settling down and everything. He's a good guy sibili nje ukuthi hayi mina naye we didn't want the same things yabo. Phela mina ngifuna love yena he wasn't ready for that yabo. I can't marry him because trajectory life zethu they're just this way yabo. He's going back home. He's a young guy actually like only 2 years difference, you know, and for him he wants to go back. I love ama-ex anjengomnikazi womuzi ship vele mina yazi mina ngama-ex amoka njengomnikazi womuzi angazi ukuthi abanye kwalani ukuthi befana umnikazi womuzi manje. So i-life yakhe he's gonna go back and he has to go settle down and everything. Mina my life is still here yabo. I have to work lapha until I bring my siblings lapho, you know. Phela yena it's different. Angithi umZulu South African. South Africa is a stable economy. He can go back to mina ngizimbabwe guys ngibuyela kwiphi economy yiphi le ndawo kuthiwa ngiyabela kiyo. I have nothing to go back to, uyabo. But hayi umnikazi womuzi shema uright umnikazi womuzi yazi inkosi yami ingilosi bantu ingilosi. Uyabo wabuya manje vele uhambe la eduze vele lapho egarage uyabuya ke manje esephethe lama breakfast what umnikazi womuzi bantu shem. Wavuka ekuseni mina ngilele wa clean umnikazi womuzi. Ngavuka ke ekuseni sesithi kimi good morning mina hayi umnikazi womuzi hamayibonga alright my love yabo hayi good man shem umnikazi womuzi afuna qamba magazine yabo. Kule video ngekazama ukuyirecorda la izolo ukuthi ngimpost manje ushaye umnikazi womuzi kodwa ngifuna post but hayi ushaye yena shem. But anyway, yeah, good man, really good man. Ngukayitha lo John la. Khathi sesingu 44 kanjani guys? Bese u16 man. Manje laba u45 yo. Ras uright ngana. Bantu umnikazi womuzi bantu fresh kodwa epipi. Hayi wena mina phela angina ex mina shem. If there's one thing that I appreciate, mina appreciate shem ipipe good. Yabo. And mina sangakhuluma konke ngawe la efini. Ma uthi wena ungawinja ukhuluma but mawukazi ukuthi uservice ka right. Mina yabona ukuthi this thing with mina before ngijola la mina singisho ukuthi siyalala within the first 48 hours because I'm not going to pursue a relationship with you mangikwazi ukuthi ayingenzele sibonda kanjani. Mina kumele ngiqale vele ngunyobe before sisenze relationship, you understand? So vele mina ama ex ami wonke vele ungeza umuntu ethina ngijolela yena ipipi yakhe yenza kahle. So hayi obvious vele la hayi ngeke shem yabo bangicithile nje because angithi ngiyi ex not ukubangicithile vele bekungekho on the pipelines yabo ngoba futhi anti lapha khona kulama bedroom amaningi. So mina nami ngilele kuyami bedroom la ulele yakhe yabo. And futhi ngilona umuntu who understands ukuthi hayi vele umfazi odayi uyakathinto yabo. So la hayi ike ngitsho ukuthi umnikazi womuzi he's a good man. He's a good man savana. Ngamadoda wonke akwazi ukuthi umfazi onathile vele you don't touch. Yabo. Vele into endawe yona vele. Vele bengidakiwe bengiyolahla bengiyothini but no. Wafika wancitha ukukhumbula into zami ngangeke ngalala. Guys, uyazi ukuthi wena twin wena nozi twin wena twin wami vele guys kunjalo mina ngingazitshela ngathi mina I have no time to be talking to you ngize ngikhethe ama feelings. Masihlangana uthi babe ngiyakufuna nami ngabona ngathi uyabukeka ngibona ngathi kule potential la first 48 hours kumele sinyobane because ngakunyoba ngibona ukuthi ayivuki ngisho mvuke ngithi kuye I don't think we're compatible. Lele ngeke ngizobona abafazi bathi bona bathi ama 60 days ngithi 60 days ma 60 days ngathi wes uzomnye ukutshela ukuthi mina yashaya ama 2 weeks uzucina in love usuthi uyafica ingane. Hayi bo guys mina ngimdala kakhulu shemnyazazi mina I know ukuthi ucansi is one of the most important things in a relationship for me because mina ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi good sex can make good sex in a relationship it can make our problems feel like they're 10%. But bad sex can make our problems feel like they're 90%. You understand? That's why I don't do long distance relationship. When I'm emotional, I'm stress ngagula. So figured. Stress ngagula ngabanjani. Ngiyabe ngifuna ucansi because for me that's my release, that's my bond, that's my everything. That's how I cope. I get to express my feelings and then you feel better ngaleyo ndlela. You understand? Cabanga soke kumele nanjolo umuntu Exactly, well, kiss ya better, why are we continuing? No. 2 weeks bayanya uyabe usenzani lo muntu ongazi people like vele kumele ukuthi khona phana manje saxoxa ukubuyibamba uyizwe. Uyabo mina futhi mina uguy ongabi honi ehlele next to me asindawo. Mina phela ngimuhle, wayengabhi honi. Mina ukuthi mawumbona so ungihalele ufuna unyoba. That means it's going to be a very painful relationship for me because I'm not attractive to you. And then I understand not everyone can find me attractive. That's why I have to be with someone who finds me attractive. Now we can go into the chance. So I think that's why I can go back to my exes. Because I know they have good take. I know right. And I put abanye straight up I know I'm just like, Mina, the way you look at me has to turn me on. Shu ukhuluma ngani wena sisi wami? Mina, even the way you talk to me. Uyakwazi ukuthi mina, I rarely find men aba sexy just by looking at them. But once I see a man, angididivete ngimkhangele. Hayi wena, hayi ungwamuntu. Angisakwehla. You're my man. Cause ngeke. Hayibo, umuntu osinje nxa imile lapha ubona ethi mayengikhangela. Men are visual creatures. Men can just get horny bekukhangele. Mina, on the other hand, as a woman, there needs to be something about you amazing. Yabo. Hayi but ungabona ngibheka nje, like as in lawe, even when you look at sengizostressa kimi ngokukhuluma indaba ezinje vele ngikhulumelana ngangithulele vele angithule indaba ezinje ziyastressana guys khonapha ngile bhabhalazi ngiyabe ngifisa ukuthi kumanje so hayi Nkosi yami bakithi yo I can't be single. No, I can't be single. I can't be single. No. You know, ngiyabonga makeba. Yabona nami madoda mazoshe mina Nkosi yami mina bakithi mina ngazi. Mina kusho uNkulunkulu befuna ngiyefele eKZN angazi ke mina ke la. Hi love, alright Tuksa style sharp. How you call me has to turn me on Kaya, my Kaya. I know Nkosi yami. Manje mina ukuthi I'm a bit different ne. Mina I don't like umuntu ongathi okay yes I can appreciate that but angifuni mina indoda engathi izoba soft all the time. Uyabo. Ngizocheck inbox ngiqeda. Ngiyabe ngifuna mina lona umuntu ozothi kimi ozongibamba. Kathi hayi wena. And khona kwambamba ngentamo izolo. Kathi nguba lo ngibamba ngentamo sebini kade ngathi ngiyam-avoida wambamba so wangislemele emdini ngathi chayi uyitype yami wena ngabe ngathi itype yami le simbamba ngomphimbo uyimbamba ngogqogqo abafana bamnandi you can't be single vele ungaqali uyakuthini ngani wami hayi nashema mina this is my for me when I'm counting 11 exactly mina ngifuna madoda rough mina ngifuna indoda engathi i-rough yabo angifuni indoda engathi izobulokhu inika ama-choices man ngifuna abantu ulwamina that's why mina ngithi mina amadoda amazulu guys they're here for me Zulu men baqala la right there. No, it's Zulu men for me. Yeah, right. When it comes to ubudoda or romance in Zulu men for me. Then Xhosa men here under Mazulu men. Xhosa men because ngase bayithetha kaloku in phela isiXhosa ngathi iFrench yase Africa. Hayi vele ngithi je m'appelle wena baby was yabo amaXhosa. But amaXhosa amaningi ukuthi they are just Xhosa men. Problem, they know they are beautiful. So papa, they will cheat on you uzumye. So for relationships, I do not recommend Xhosa men. But Zulu, oh my god. Mina you always watching mina Zulu men. I don't mind what's the tension says Zulu men. I don't mind, it's okay. I don't mind. Because I know what he will treat us, he will make each and every one of us feel what I'm feeling. Mina I don't care. I love him. What's up, baby? It's fine. Hayi nanda bashem uzophela ngitshele mina hayi we can be as team with my Zulu man ayikho inkinga shem ngizobe ngi-right then it bottom of my list Zimbabwean Ndebele men no they're not for me. I'm not saying ukuthi ba bad or whatever but they're just not for me. They're not my cup of tea. Hayi emaZimbabwe Ndebele menship mina ngabatshela abangani bami bathi mina ngizothanda njalo eZimbabwe ngicala ingishaye ngemoto lingishaye lingihudule futhi ngiphume la ezivule lezi ezingidlangisayo yabo lindubule futhi lamazwana angeke Ndebele men baseZimbabwe hayi Richard uyazi ukuthi angikhuluma ngakubi ngani ngithe you are not for me and mina shame I'll be caught dead than ukujola leZimbabwe Ndebele men No, as apart from ukuthi amandebele men bayagilana nti. It's I'm from ukukhuluma kabi vele abantu baningi kakhulu la ngifuna ukukhuluma kabi ngamandebele but they're just not for me. They're not for me, Shem. Nkosinathi liked my real. As in, oh what a night. Yeah, but hi, but now Zulu men wami. Oh, thank you for the ice cream. Le poke yini to me Richard. Thank you anyway. Thank you. Yabo. Hayi mina mandebele men Shem. Yazi ukuthi mina Shem uyathungishela so. Sisakhuluma kahle. Bese uthi wena ungwezi mabhuli indebele. Yabo. Nangu umuntu. Nditshele guys ngathi Zulu men at the top what of men la emhlabeni. Hi.
Yeah, you know.
Sebuyile umnikazi womuzi. Live. Kade kuthiwa umnikazi womuzi ungaphi? Ngithi umnikazi womuzi umi. So South African Ndebele zaphi? No, mina ngithe ama South African Zulus are the top tier of men. That's what I said. I think ngazofuna ukungifaka eMandebeleni. Did you get that for me? Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh. Okay, thank you. Try hey mnikazi womuzi. Uthi hey okay kaza ngathi hey uthi awume kancane. No umphathele coffee le or it's coffee. Is it coffee?
Cappuccino coffee.
Cappuccino. Oh thank you. Umphathele cappuccino. Kuthiwa thank you mnikazi womuzi.
So I don't know whether they're nice or not.
Okay. Did they toast them? Like did they warm them up? They're better if they're warm.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? Okay, just try it. Let's see. Maybe you might like it.
No, I didn't know whether. I always eat it like this.
Oh, you always eat it like this. Okay, fine, cool. Okay. We wanna hear his voice. He should say, "Hey, bo baby." Indoda yomzulu ayikhulumi kanjani Nkosi yami? Yo, hey wena baby girl, ngicela ukutshela mba. Bathi sicela uthi hey bo baby. Awenzi lokho? No. Bothina ba guys, uthi abantu bothina. Nakai sengicima Shem papa ine. Sanibonani endlini. His voice in Shlobo. No, you're not gonna see him. Hi, guys. He's not my person. He's my ex. You're my ex, and we broke up peacefully, right? And
Amicably.
Yes, amicably. And I told them, like you're a good man, and the woman who's gonna marry you is gonna be a very lucky woman. But especially when you are me, my sister knows because not of we want different things in life. That's why. My sister it's because me and you want different things in life. That's why we can't marry. And then like okay fine, is he like good sexually? And I'm like, I never date people that are bad sexually, so that's not Makeba mina nginomakeba live lapha lo thina is my Zulumen uZulumen wami lo Makeba athi umakeba phela indaba ezithi so ngase mina I don't do that ngase matshela ngathi wena manje you don't drink but ubuye wazongiphika and mina Shem I was just drunk and you were there in the rain all romantically and shit. Oh Nkosi yami. Sengufuna back mina.
Wait.
Hayibo. Try to bring back lost lovers. Yabona masayini la naseJoburg. Oh bhala kuthiwa if you want your lover back dial 0800.
So we scared
mina manje ngizohamba ngiyozama ke lapha ngilapho ngifuna back wena baby. It's his loss. We want to see our hero. Say hero. Lucas. Anyway, guys. Anyway, bye. I was talking to you guys because I need to Now he's back. Now I can talk to my not my person, my friend. Are we friends? Tell him I'm married, but it's not serious. Umindi, she's married, but it's not serious.
Bani?
Umindi. She's really pretty. She's married, but it's not that serious. Ufuna wena phela. Susilahla Thixo yazi. No, mina guys ngathi mina forever choosing indoda over you. Papa yini? Ngeke phela. Lina linginikani? Mindi uthe wena athela Bona unikani?
The sauce. I'm not going to tell 5 sauce.
Did you make mine like yours?
Mm-hmm.
What does it have? Same.
Eggs, bacon, sausages.
Oh, what standard breakfast?
Mm.
Okay. Alright. Mindi bye. Umageba lapho uthena. Ngiyaglowa vele guys, happy. Wena kade ngifokofa lapha the whole of last week. I'm not fine. Azabafana mina okay, anyway, angisamfuna back. Sengikhohle abafana bayagqilaza. Yeah. I told phela mina Jezelo ngathi mina I grieved for you when we broke up. Lut. But Mindi ngoto the papa. Abantu babangu 50 something la kodwa bathi papa. It's okay. Baye wena mngani wami ngwewethu. Awukanikwa ipipi. No, njengathi guys iexam akanginiki vele. Yena he's saving himself for his future wife. Your eyes, you wanna snack the guy. Yazofuseka nindini. Papa yini. I want to snack I mean.